Here's how to turn ChatGPT images into a fully editable design with Canva. To give you an example, I'm gonna run a prompt to make ChatGPT create a poster. Now let's wait for the image to generate. Once the image fully generates, just click on it and then copy it, then open Canva on your browser. Once you're in Canva, you need to create a template. To do that, click on Create on the top left corner of your screen. Now since we're doing a poster, the size that I'm gonna go for is a flyer A4. Now once you're here, all that you need to do is right click and click Paste. Sometimes it will ask for your permission. Just click Allow when it shows up. There, as you can see, it's already pasted. Let me just adjust the size so that you can see it better. Now to make the elements of this poster editable, the text, the elements, the shapes, all we can do is click on the image, click on Edit, and here as you can see it says Magic Layers. If you don't see that, just click on See All, and under Elements or under Select Elements, you can see Magic Layers. Click on that and it should automatically separate the elements and the text for you. There, as you can see, all the elements and text on this poster are movable. Even the ones at the bottom, even the ones in the middle, and the small minute details. Also, one cool feature here is you can even change the words of the text. To give you an example, I'm gonna click on yourself and then change it to edit. There, as you can see, I can basically edit the text. And also, you can even add new elements on your edit. Like for example, I want to add this mountain. I'm just gonna add it here. And I can even change the layer of it. Yeah, so that's how to turn ChatGPT images into a fully editable design with Canva.